Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let's start the video.
Canva is an online graphic design tool preloaded with thousands of templates to spark your creativity. Whether it be for internal use or for a client, the many benefits of using Canva make it easier than ever to knock up stunning visuals in no time.
Is it free to use Canva? Any person and team can use Canva for nothing, but users can upgrade to Canva Pro to quickly produce expert designs and content if they wish to unlock premium capabilities. How does Canva benefit students? Design, critical thinking, creativity, and visual communication are essential components of preparing our pupils for life after school. Canva encourages the development of these abilities by making it simple to create and finish group projects, movies, posters, and more. Why would someone use Canva? Designing stunning creative assets is made simple for everyone by Canva. Canva is an amazing tool for helping you advance your design abilities, even if you're just starting out. It can be used to create any What are Canva's primary characteristics? Curved text generator is a feature. Image effects, enhancer of images. Photo frames can be added. Put text on images. Record videos online. Video editor. Change video formats to MP4. Free videos can be created for your YouTube channel. Your YouTube videos can have thumbnails. There are a lot of designs, but you can also create your own designs or customize those created by others. There are so many royalty-free videos. All you have to do is download these videos and use these in your videos. You can edit your video from a free website called Canva. It is free to use. You can make logo and many more with the help of this website. This is the interface. You can see there is a lot of content about YouTube. You can watch these playlists to grow your YouTube channel. This channel on YouTube tells you about all the updates about YouTube. Basically, this is YouTube's own channel which helps you a lot. They give you all the knowledge of their success. You can watch their playlist for more information to get success on YouTube. What is TubeBuddy used for? TubeBuddy is a powerful YouTube SEO, competitor analysis, and time-saving Chrome extension for video creators. It can identify the keywords and tags to target for your videos so that your channel generates a constant stream of views and subscribers. When it comes to TubeBuddy, it is an incredibly useful tool to grow the channel with ease, but some people want to know, is it safe? And the answer is yes, it is safe as well as YouTube certified and can't do anything such as deleting or editing your videos automatically. This is the interface. You can see there is a lot of content about YouTube. You can watch these playlists to grow your YouTube channel.